Okay, it's time to solve the forensic related all challenges. The first one is thread. There in description we can see this is one of the hash like SHA-256. So what's in there? Basically, after running the commands md5 sum tutorial.pdf to result.txt, then when we cat this file, then this hash is generated. And there is another thing is hints popular thread label. So if we check this hash in which type of thread, there basically thread type and pattern. So we can check from virus total. There we can search by any hash, URL, IP address, domain, or the file hash. When we submit the hash, if this is any type of malicious file or malicious thread, then it can show. And there we see from different security vendors analysis, they mark this hash as a virus. And here you can see popular thread label, which I need a aupCTF popular thread label, and the pattern is 6 character dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and there Trojan is 6 and then 8.8/MSIL. So this is the flag I have found, aupCTF, and then this is our flag. Okay, now second one is I love math. Then there is an attachment. First download this math.pdf. What's in there? We need password to open this PDF, so we have to use John the Reaper. Create the hash from this PDF file by PDF to John, and after that we have to use John the Reaper to get the password from this hash file by rocku.txt word list. And see, this is the password which we need to open this math.pdf file. Okay, if we want to see what's in this file, there we can see, I can see anything here. Okay, if we select all, then there is some redirected text here, so we have to extract this. Now we are using PDF. We have to use PDF to text, then PDF file, after that OPU, that is owner password, and password is Naruto. So after that one text file is generated there, math.txt. So the flag for this challenge of the form aupCTF I love math x and y. So basically we have to find out x and y from these two equations. We can easily use ChatGPT for that. We can solve this manually, but we know how to solve and how to find out the value of x and y from these two equations. So there is x equals 6 and y equal 1. So if we see the pattern and we can copy the flag, so there we need the value x and y, which we already get it. So there x is 6 and y is 1. So that's our flag. Now third challenge is their password recovery. Okay, let's see what is in the description. We stumble upon a lost smartphone that holds crucial data for an ongoing investigation. Unfortunately, the owner seems to have forgotten the screen lock password. Okay, but there is a glimmer of hope. The victim is an attempt to remember the password, left a clue on the phone's lock screen. Okay, use your forensic skills to find the password. So there is clue on the phone's lock screen. This is the clue. So after downloading this file, I have opened by FTK Imager and autopsy, and there before that I've searched some to get the hints where I got any information which originally in phone's lock screen is there. I found there, if we use any hint, if we use any text in lock screen owner info, then it will be shown like that on his screen when phone is locked. So basically there, this is the clue. The victim, in an attempt to remember the password, left a clue on the phone's lock screen. So we have to find out where the text save when we save any text in lock screen owner info. So after that, after searching, I have found there is a database, data system lock settings DB. So there we can see that, because there is another hint in Android lock screen info is saved in a database. In Android lock screen info is saved in a database, and there is the lock screen owner info. So when we find there, when we open in by aupC, there are 20 database we see there, and there 1 DB is lock settings DB, which is in description. So after lock settings DB, we have to select from application tab and then lock settings. There is lock screen owner info, which we see the lock screen owner info. So I have found the hints, actually find a clue there. So this is our clue. So you can copy this, and this is look like base 64. I think base 64 decoder we use there. Decode, is there anything? Yes, password clue. So this is the password actually. So their format is aupCTF, and their password clue. Okay, now we're going to solve the next challenge. Name is Kingsman. Welcome to Kingsman, the world's most elite intelligence agency. Okay, they're our cutting edge technology. However, it appears that our highly sophisticated security system has been breached by an unknown hacker. Even our state-of-the-art AI Marlin has failed to protect our system against this intrusion. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to use your advanced encryption skills to bypass our highly flawed password policy and uncover the secrets that lie within. Okay, get ready for the ultimate test of your intelligence as you embark on this daring mission to decrypt the hidden message that errs. Only by cracking the code, you will be able to claim your victory and prove yourself worthy of becoming a Kingsman agent. Kingsman challenge. So are you ready to accept this challenge? Okay, the password requirements are as follows. The first character must be digit. Okay, the second character must be a special character. There is a limit. A pet name should follow the special character. Okay, there is a pet name, and uppercase letter comes next, and finally a lowercase letter. So there are 5 conditions for the password requirement. First character must be digit. Second one is a special character. Third one is pet name, and fourth one is uppercase letter comes next after pet name, and finally a lowercase letter. Remember, your objective is to crack the encryption and reveal the hidden message. So this is crack the encryption. Okay, so download this file. After download, we try to unzip. So there is enter the password. Okay, so we have to unzip this by fcrackzip or any other else. Okay, but there is a condition. So first we have to create we have to generate the password. This encrypted 7Z archive. So if we try to break the password, maybe we cannot. So we can use 7Z to John. Is there any file? 7Z to John. Okay, there is 7Z to John. So so if you use online tools, we can try this. Okay, then 7Z to John we can use from, we can try from Linux. 7Z to John. Like before that we use PDF to John. Like that we can use 7Z to John. File name is encrypted 7G. After that we can use new hash. So enc.hash file. So you can cat enc.hash. Oh, there is nothing. Why? Okay, we have to sudo 7Z to John, then encrypted file. Next is encrypted file, encrypted one dot hash. You may need to install the compress raw. Okay, can't locate compress raw file. Okay, there is nothing, so it begin failed, compilation aborted. Okay, line 6. Can't locate compress raw pm. You may need to install the compress raw module. Okay, so we have to, if you get an error like that, so we have to install this. For this requirement, we have to install this file, because there we see you may need to install compress raw module. So for that we are installing this. Okay, now again try. The hashes might contain sensitive encrypted data, be careful. Okay, so we can cat and we can get there our hash 419 something like that. Okay, so if our tools is not doesn't work to crack the hash, crack the 7z to convert hash file by 7z to John, then we can use online tools also. Okay, where we try by John the Reaper and word list is rocky.txt, but there are some conditions we see. So basically we have to generate a dictionary from this condition, or there a pet name should follow the special character. So what is the pet name? This is there, we got some hints, and there is a list we can use for pet name. This is the pet name, so we can use this, and there other conditions are there. So finally there, what's the condition there? First one, if you check again, first character must be digit, so use for digit in digits, and their digit is from string.digits. After that, second one, character must be a special character, so their special characters are here. And third one is pet name list, which we use in array. After that, uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So there is uppercase letter from string.ascii underscore uppercase and string.ascii underscore lowercase. So there is the password generate pattern: digit, a special character, pet name, uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So we can generate word list from this. So you see there is a word list. Okay, we can generate a file also. So just use word list as wordlist.txt, and we can write there. And so after that we can get this word list there. So we have to check this when we use John the Reaper. So okay, again we can use this, and word list we use word list equal there word list dot txt. Okay, and now we see what's the password for that hash we previously generated. So it may take some time. At last we have got our correct password from John the Reaper. So we can now extract the file which is encrypted 7z. We can extract here. Password is this. There is data error, wrong password. Is it wrong password, right? Oh, sorry, there is no space. So okay, again extract, and there is the flag.txt. Okay, congratulations on cracking the password, and there is the base64 password, which we have to decode now. And this is our flag. Okay, last one is MemDump, that is memory dump, which we have First, you need to download the memory image from the link. So I'm downloading this file, 2.mem, that is mem file. Okay, there is last one, that is the memory dump file. I have to download, and after that, after analyzing this memory image, I have to find out the malicious activity. I have to find out the process which have malicious activity, like that, and I have to find out the process name.txt. Okay, there. So this file is memdump2.mem. Okay, there. You can check there. This is our file. Okay, then I'm using actually their volatile tree. The tool is volatility. The tool is volatility 3, and by using this volatility 3, we are going to find the malicious activity or related process in this dump file or memory file. Okay, the Python vol.py there in this volatility 3 folder, and file name in this directory, and this is our file, and plugins parameter is windows.malfind. So volatility 3 is calculating now and analyzing, and after analysis, volatility 3 framework will provide us the process which has malicious activity. There are several applications, several tools we can use, but for me, it is the best tools I have ever seen. Okay, if you see there, process notepad.exe, and when we use these plugins, windows.malfind, then their process is notepad.exe. Notepad.exe, is there anything? No. So notepad.exe is the application, I think. If you want to know how to use this application, there are several comments I'll discuss later. So you this CTF notepad.exe. So that's all. We have completed our forensic part. Thank you.